Welcome back. Here we are with a signed document, and it should be saying this, that all signatures are valid. Now, what we need to do next is talk about how to send our public key to the person who's going to receive this document. And that's found here under Tools and Protection this time. In fact, I'm going to go to this choice called More Protection. I click on that, and then we're going to head to Security Settings. So the way that we get to our digital ID public key is this way. And so the way that we get to this place that we need to be for sending our public key out was Tools menu, Protection, More Protection, and now Security Settings. Over at the left-hand side, I've got several things I can look at. What we want to do is look at digital IDs. And every once in a while, you'll get here, and that list will be collapsed at first. But you can just click on the word digital IDs, and you should be able to see the ID that you have created. So now I'm going to click on that, and what I need to do now is export it. That is, I'm going to send it out by an email to someone. So I click on Export. It says you've chosen to export the following data. I can either save it to a file and send that along, or I can email it right now through Adobe Acrobat. Maybe I'll say save it to a file, and then I'll go attach both that FDF file and my signed PDF file to one email at the same time. So I'm going to say save this to a file to start with, and I'll drop it out on my desktop. And it's going to be named Certificate Exchange for Ferd Burfel. And I'm choosing Save. So that file is going to end in .fdf. And so the save operation is complete. So there's my public key sitting out on my desktop, and I have my signed document sitting in the completed PDFs folder. So next thing I would do is go start an email and send that out to however many people I need to send the document to, and I would make sure to attach both the FDF file and the PDF file. And somewhere in that email you really ought to write a note that says please open the FDF file first, so that the PDF file will say that all signatures are valid because the FDF file is my public key. And when they do open that FDF file, it will actually guide them through the process of installing that public key on their computer. The hard part is that this part is going to be tough for you to practice because you probably don't have two computers sitting around where you can email back and forth. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move to another computer temporarily, and I'm going to record what it looks like on the other end. You can't really practice this on the computer that you're sitting at because the computer where you are sitting already has this signature and digital ID in it, which means you won't be able to see the problem about having the signature not verified. But I'm going to show you what it looks like right now.